I wish I had a twin sister.
Well, with God's grace, you will soon have a sister.
Yay! No! I want a sister. I want a sister. I want a sister. I want a sister.
You want a sister?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause I don't care if I become a middle child.
You're
going to be the middle child.
You're okay to be middle child?
You're going to be the
Yeah?
middle child. But I'm gonna be the oldest. Live like Naeem. Live the life of Naeem. And have the most boringest one. No, no. Hey, I think I'm in the middle child, the parents. That's what the internet says. I don't know.
No.
And then when they're going to travel, they
Junior, you're going to love your sister, right? You're going to love your sister, right?
Yay!
Of course.
Alright. So keep her in your room. Your room. Hey, my room is okay. Too big. Too small. Hey, why can't you let your sister... Wait, Mommy, what about a room for the sister? What about the room for the sister?
Room for the sister?
Mommy and Dad can share.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't thought about it.
Yes. Mommy,
Yes.
Mommy, I think you need to make a bed.
Maybe for her we'll buy a bigger house.
Mommy, but how will she live in the same house? No, Mommy and Dad could go over there. I could take Mommy and Dad's room. Junior, no, I can take your room. Junior can take my room. We can. Because he wants the big bed. I want the big space. He wants the big bed. I need the big space. No, I don't care about the big bed. I want the big space. The big space. This new house, all four of us agreed that we two will be in different rooms. Hey, Dad, now.
But if you have sister, you and him in one room and she will be in Junior room.
But you promised. Mommy, can I be with my sister? Can I be with my sister?
You wanted to be with your sister? You want to share your room with her? You know you're going to be a very nice brother?
Yeah.
She will be so lucky.
Yeah.
Alright.
I am not. Before we moved in the house, all four of us agreed.
जोकर को क्यों लेके बैठी है?
नसीब ये जूनियर और जॉनस दोनों आपस में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि जब बहन आएगी तो कौन से रूम में रहेगी.
All four of us agreed that me and Junior.
that small baby, the girl, sleep with Junior.
Yeah.
That's what he said. He want to share his room with sister.
Mine's too small.
Right, Junior?
Yeah. Why do you have little shoes? But literally, I'm not. When we moved.
You want to stay alone? Live alone?
I never said that. Hey, Mommy, then every single night, this is the only thing we hearing. You gotta give the baby some hot milk for she to sleep.
Yeah, you just give her some milk and that's it.
Still. Mommy, what about that little baby thing?
What baby thing?
The baby, a little bed for the baby? Oh, the crib.
Crib? Oh, we'll place the crib in your room.
I'm not going to handle this. Mommy, is it going to be the size just like my old crib when I was in India? And remember you had a pink crib because you all thought that you were a girl? Wow.
Yeah, we'll buy the pink crib for her.
Mommy, will it be as big as the one that last time in Nanu and Nano Kaka used to sleep in that? Oh my God.
Yes, that crib I bought from you.
I feel embarrassed when I sleep in that.
Yeah, because you're grown up. But that crib is your crib.
So you're gonna bring that from India?
I'm gonna buy another one.
Confess something that this was actually Peter's shirt.
I'm going to buy a new crib for her.